In today's digital age, privacy and security concerns have become increasingly important. With over 2 billion active users, WhatsApp is one of the most popular messaging apps worldwide. However, as with any online platform, there is always a risk of unauthorized access to personal information. In this video, we will explore how to hack a WhatsApp account easily, but before that, I will provide a complete guide to help users protect themselves from potential security breaches. So, if you want to know how to hack WhatsApp, make sure you follow me to the end of this video. To begin, it's essential to understand the security protocols that WhatsApp has in place. While the app uses end-to-end encryption to secure messages, there are still vulnerabilities that can be exploited. By gaining access to a user's phone, hackers can potentially intercept and read messages, view contacts, and even make unauthorized purchases. It's crucial to be aware of these risks and take preventative measures to safeguard personal information. Fortunately, there are steps that users can take to protect themselves from potential security breaches. From enabling two-factor authentication to regularly updating passwords, there are several best practices that can help to enhance security. In the following sections, we will delve deeper into these preventative measures and provide a comprehensive guide for those looking to hack a WhatsApp account. Understanding WhatsApp security protocols. End-to-end encryption. End-to-end encryption is a security feature that ensures that only the sender and recipient of a message can read it. WhatsApp uses end-to-end encryption to protect user privacy and prevent unauthorized access to messages. This means that even WhatsApp itself cannot read the messages sent between users. End-to-end encryption works by encrypting the message on the sender's device before it is sent. The message is then decrypted on the recipient's device, ensuring that only the sender and recipient can read the message. This makes it difficult for anyone to intercept and read the message, including hackers and government agencies. Two-step verification. Two-step verification is an additional security feature that adds an extra layer of protection to a user's account. It requires users to enter a 6-digit code in addition to their password when logging into their account. This code is sent to the user's phone via SMS or generated by a third-party authentication app. Two-step verification helps prevent unauthorized access to a user's account, even if the hacker has obtained the user's password. It is important for users to enable two-step verification to protect their WhatsApp account from hacking attempts. How to hack WhatsApp account. So now to get started, you visit your Google Play Store and search for this app called Scan WhatsApp Web. Download the app and open it. So you click on Get Started. After clicking on Get Started, you click on this WhatsApp Web. Let's wait for it to open. So after opening, you take the victim's WhatsApp phone and launch his or her WhatsApp. After launching, you click on the 3 dots and click on Settings. You click on these 3 dots here and click on and select Settings from the pop-up menu. So you click on this right here. So we then scan the voice web on your phone. You then scan using the victim's WhatsApp. You click on a link to a device and scan the WhatsApp web again. So right away, the WhatsApp account has been hacked successfully. So you can see all the contacts here can also be found on your phone. So that means you can send a message by using your phone. You can reply to any message by using your phone, and it will appear as if it's the victim who sent the message. So let's send something. We can see the message here, looking like it's the victim who sent the message. Yeah. So thanks for watching this video. If you know you've not subscribed, subscribe to now. Like this video and share. Thanks for watching this video.